Hi, Beth from Abby's Attics here again, and I've been asked many times how to put a logo, like they're making a tumbler and they have the pattern, it's a seamless pattern or whatever, and they want to put the logo in the middle and have it knocked out so it's not looking like this. So I'm going to go over that today, and I'm also going to show you how to do just a name as well. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this, we're going to make it an offset. We're going to do the outer shape only. And you can have this as wide as you want if you wanted room around it. If you wanted the exact measurement, you would do it just like I showed you in the videos before about how to do the offset or the outline of it. But what I am going to do is I'm going to do it at 0.5 so that there is a little bit. And it's going to generate that. I'm going to confirm that. I'm going to move that down. I'm going to create this as a fill layer. I want to make sure this is arranged set to the back. I'm going to take this now and place it in the middle. We're going to select all of it and we're going to subtract. And then we'll place that right there, right in the middle. And we just have to, I'm using my arrow keys now just to move it around in little tiny increments. And that's how you would do somebody's logo. Now, let's say you wanted to do just somebody's name. It will be the same. The only difference is it's a name. So I did pick this font and it's actually my dog's name. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to create an outline of the outer shape. I think I'll do 1 this time. And I'm going to confirm that. I'm going to move it down. I'm going to set it to an engrave. We already know this is set to the back, but we always want to make sure it is to save time. So send to the back. And then you can put this wherever you would want it to go. And just like before, you're going to take them and you're going to subtract. And then you would put your name right there. And then you want to unite everything. And it really is that simple to do. If you like learning this kind of content and other features of Studio and learning how to use any of the xTool machines, please consider subscribing to our channel, and all of our group links will be in the description below because we do share all of our settings in our Google Sheets that can be found in the featured section of all of our groups.